Hi and welcome back. I'm GC, and what I've been asked is where is the actual free website creating tool? Now, because I update my website quite often, obviously some of the videos I do, obviously the links move because I'm adding new information to the website. So what I've done is I brought you over to the Good Web Business Hosting page, and I'll leave you a link in the description so you can actually get directly to this page. And then if we scroll right down to the very bottom of the page, you'll find that the link is here, free website creating tool. If you click on that, that will then bring this page up for you. And what you'll need to do is just click on free demo. And when you do that, what it'll do is you can see it'll log you into a free account, and then it logs you into the control panel. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of different things you can actually do in the control panel. And again, as I said in the previous video, I'll take you through different sections. But what you'll need to do is just click over Web Tools, Site Builder, and then Site Builder, Demo, click on there. And then what that will do, that will then take you over to your templates. And if you actually scroll down, you'll see the individual templates, and you can just keep clicking on Load More, and you'll see obviously the different themes. So what you'll need to do, I'll just scroll down a bit more so you've got an idea of all the different templates that are available to you. And again, as I've said in previous videos, you can actually change everything on these templates. So let's just find one that I can just give you an example, and let's go to this one here. And then what that does, that actually uploads this template. Now you'll get a welcome guide, you can have a look at that. And also what you'll find is other individual videos that you can just click on, and they're very quick videos, but they're very direct, and they'll show you exactly what you're trying to do, and it's worth going through them videos. So also, like I say, what you'll also get is down this side, you've got content, you've got design, settings, different apps you can use, files, and like I say, if you click on design, this is where you can change all the different colors of your design. But like I say, there is other videos on the channel that will actually take you through this. And also what I am going to do is I'm going to do another video that will take you through like a website tutorial for beginners. So I'm going to take you all the way through from actually defining your purpose for the website that you're going to build. We'll also go through the choice of a domain and how to find your domains. We'll sign up for obviously a Good Web Business Hosting account, and I'll show you how to do that. And then we'll select a different platform. Again, like I say, I'll use the site builder, so I'll be able to show you exactly how to actually set a page up. We'll look at optimizing your website as well, learning SEO, and how we can actually put the information into your template and how to obviously optimize your website. I'll show you how to test it and launch it. And then we'll look at other things like continuous improvement, additional tips, and lots of other things. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you right through from start to finish. And then as the website starts to build up, I will then keep referring back to it, and you'll be able to see exactly how the actual website is doing, and also you'll be able to see if or how the pages get indexed, and the general old thing. So I hope that video is going to be helpful to you. I'm sure it is. It's a good learning curve to build a website, and I just feel that for beginners it'll give you a better vision of actually how to build a website. So like I say, look out for those videos. They'll actually come under a website tutorial for beginners, and I hope to see you there. Anyway, thanks for looking, and if you need anything, like I say, contact me and we can have a chat and discuss what your website you're trying to build. Thank you.